how to go viral every time on TikTok for your dropshipping ads. Here's an example of one of my dropshipping accounts that has over 1.1 million views and 141 likes in the last 30 days. I could have grown it more, but I stopped posting a while ago. But this is just an example of one of the accounts and what you can do when starting your TikTok account for your dropshipping store. So it's really not that hard to go viral on TikTok. Just copy this exact blueprint and you will be going viral. First, we're gonna need footage, which you can go about in two ways. You can use other people's content and make your own out of it. Using other people's content is risky because of copyright issues, but if you edit it enough, it wouldn't flag any copyright. I always stress making your own content, so buy the product from Amazon, get that 1 to 2 day shipping, and just make your own. But if you don't have the money currently and you're waiting for your paycheck or you're waiting to get some money, this is the perfect way just to start. So for this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be using other people's footage to make my own footage for my store. Now, so the first thing you wanna do is go on TikTok and download at least 5 to 10 videos. So I have a variation of footage that I can choose from, so it doesn't trigger any copyright claim. So what I'm gonna do right now is go on the computer and download those footages. So I'm on TikTok right now. For the sake of this video, I'm just gonna go with this product. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy the URL, go on Snaptik, and just download. So once you have downloaded, now what you're gonna do is you're gonna find 4 more videos or 10 more videos and download the same footage. Now I have imported all the footage. I have about five different videos that I'm gonna use to make my own video. So now I'm just gonna go through all the footages and see what I can use as a hook and then continue to increase engagement. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with this hook and I'm just gonna cut it where before then. I'm just gonna cut it exactly, and then I'm gonna add the unboxing part over here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a zoom effect. So I'm gonna hit scale, put a keyframe there, and then go to the end of the video, put a keyframe there, and scale it just a little bit. Now we have that zoom effect. Now I'm just gonna go through the other footage and what I could use from other footage. So it's very fast-paced and engaging and tells exactly what the product does. Now what I'll do is, in TikTok, what I'll do is I will add the same text as this one so it can match up with the TikTok text. So I'll put the text over here, and for the sake of a video, we'll just do it here. I'll just put the text right here. Now, if we just play this, and obviously I will find a good audio on TikTok that matches up exactly with this video. But I like doing that in TikTok because when it comes to trending sound, it's easy to find on TikTok instead of importing a sound on here. So you can see it has the hook, it's a cool, something cool, and then it's really quick. And it tells exactly what the product does. Now, ideally, you want to do it with more footage, but just for the sake of this video, it's just giving you an example of how easy it is to put together footage if you don't have the product. But obviously, like I said, you really want to order the product. You want to get the product in your hand. You could do the exact same type of video with the different background and with your own hands, and then change it up a little bit. You can play something funny on the projector. I've seen a lot of people do that. This guy was playing SpongeBob, but you can play something even funnier. So this just gives you an example of what you can do with TikTok. So you don't need a big amount of capital to start. So after you have completed the editing, make sure you have already set up your TikTok account. you want to start posting organically to your account. So let that algorithm decide and push out your video instead of paying for it. Instead of starting right away with TikTok ads, I would suggest making at least 10 to 12 videos if you can with this type of footage, if there is enough footage, because you also have to take that into account. So that's the biggest limitation with using other people's footage, is not making enough videos and a creative block, because you can do only so much with other people's footage. If you really can, I highly suggest ordering the product from Amazon and start posting videos. This exact strategy I use to grow my account is I post it 3 times a day. Now, I know if that's too much for you, start with 1 time a day, but if you want to grow the account quickly, I would say in under 30 days, you have to post 3 to 6 times a day. That's the only way it's going to work. And you have to post every single day. So you want to push as many videos as you can every single day. Now, in case you get shadow banned, don't worry for getting 250 views. Keep posting. Just decrease the amount of videos you're posting. So one time I got shadow banned, I was only getting 250 views. What I did was I started posting once a day. And then when my video views started picking up, I started increasing the amount. Now with that, if you have any other questions, please write in the comments below and I will answer them. I answer all the questions in the comments. So with that, until next time,